Hi friends, Blade for WordPress is here. That is flexibility, simplicity exists side by side. In this video, we are going to discuss about the multi-function WordPress theme called Blade. And if you are looking for a responsive multifunctional WordPress theme, this video is exactly for you. In this video, we are going to install Blade WordPress theme. We will import the demo content. We will preview the theme options and customization options of Blade WordPress theme. The Blade WordPress theme has been developed by Great Ives, and the theme was actually developed in 2015. The regular updates for this theme is also being done, so we can consider this Blade WordPress theme as compatible according to latest version, that is WordPress 5.8. The theme also compatible with Gravity Forms, WooCommerce and WP Bakery Visual Composer. So you have all the options to use with this theme. Now if we talk about the demo websites, pre-made website, Blade WordPress theme comes with the business landing page itself, architecture, photography, restaurant and barber shop. So if you are targeting to build a website in these categories, this can be a very good choice for you. Let us preview some pre-made websites. Like this is landing page for business, and it has very aesthetic and clean look, and it got modern look as well. It has all the features sections according to the latest requirements and the business requirements, you can say, and the page has parallax effect in it. Internal pages are also built very professionally. Let us check. This is one of the page, that is about us page for business landing page. Similarly, other landing page has been developed according to industry needs. It also have the privacy concern, that is GDPR compliances. So you can make a wonderful website using Blade WordPress theme. And this is being the barber shop pre-made website, and it has got a very modern look, of course. So let us begin the installation of Blade WordPress theme. I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which the default 2021 WordPress theme is running on the latest version of WordPress. This is being the website, and at this we are going to install Blade WordPress theme. And I got the theme pack. In the theme pack I have documentation, licensing, the main theme file and the child theme file. To begin the installation, we have to go in the appearance section of WordPress and click on themes. Click on add new, and upload theme. Choose file, and here we need to choose blade.zip file. So remember, we have to choose blade.zip file. Don't try to upload the complete folder that you got in the theme pack. It is a common mistake by many people. And if you are having access on your cPanel, you can upload the same file directly to your hosting. I am doing the same. I wish to show you the theme file size. In fact, first I will delete the old themes that is not required. We should not keep cluttered feelings at the WordPress installation, so just remove all the unnecessary things from your hosting. So now we have only one theme, that is 2021, and now we are uploading Blade in the same folder. And in this manner I wish to show you the theme file size. The theme file size is 18.95 MB, which is a moderate size. Generally well optimized theme comes around 15 to 20 MB, you can say. And once the progress bar turns green with 100%, and that is the complete zip folder is uploaded, we can go back and extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this Blade folder, in which we got all the theme components, folders and files all are here. And now we can delete the zip one. It is not required, we have already extracted it. Now we are fine to go in the theme section of WordPress again. And I must tell you, both the activities of uploading theme are same. Either you can use WordPress interface or you can directly upload on your hosting. So don't get confused, both activities are same. Don't repeat the process, we have to choose only one, and we have uploaded through the cPanel in this case. And now we have Blade as another theme option along with the default theme. Let us check the details. This is Blade version 3.3.3, and Blade is a straightforward multifunctional WordPress theme in which flexibility and simplicity exist side by side. Grace of its high quality, it is suitable for building every website project you have in mind. Believe us, Blade has been created with tons of work and love by Gravities. Now let us activate this theme. This is Blade 3 in fact. Upon activation, that we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get the optimum and full feature of this theme. Let us check what are the plugins recommended and required. Then we will come back to the welcome screen. So this is being the plugin list which are required and recommended for using this WordPress theme, that is Blade. Let us begin the installation one by one. Blade extension is required plugin and needs to be installed. Let us first install the Blade extension, and it has been installed successfully. Activate it. WP Bakery page builder. This theme uses WP Bakery, so it is also a necessary installation. And activate WP Bakery. Blade demo importer is one-time activity. However, if we need to have it for importing the demo content, Envato Market is actually not required, and I am selecting to install rest of the plugin in one go. And you can see and the rest of plugins being installed, and that got installed in just few seconds. And if you are ordering Blade WordPress theme in a pre-installed manner at WP Themes website by following the link given in the description of this video, you shall be getting the same capacity server, and you will also get the pre-installed Blade WordPress theme with your delivery, so you can start building your website immediately as you receive the installation package with you. And now we can go back to the plugin installation screen, and we need to activate the installed plugins. This is Slider Revolution, and this theme will support WooCommerce as well, so you can use this theme for your e-commerce website, that is for selling your services and products. So this is being a great advantage. Along with the business website, you can run an e-commerce shop side by side, so it is good. And WooCommerce needs certain information after installation. Let us complete it, and I am putting just sample data. You need to put the original one as applicable for you. It is just few steps, but it is of course necessary steps. So so you need not select this because it will going to take time, and here we need to select Blade currently active theme, continue with my active theme. Okay, so now we are fine, and we have all the plugins that has been recommended by the theme. And now coming back to dashboard, and we have all the plugins and the theme itself in this installation. Let us take a look of our website, how it looks at this stage. And this is being the basic look of Blade WordPress theme, and yes, of course it is without any demo content, and it is a scratch clean here. And if you don't want to use any pre-made website like any of these, so you can start building your website scratch from here. But mostly WordPress is known for pre-made websites, and people use the already made websites, and that is very convenient way to make websites. So it is up to you. If you want to make your own wireframe and your design, you can start building from here, and you shall be getting all the facilities of theme and associated plugins, and your design will be on your website. And if we want to use a pre-made website like any of these, so these are the pre-made websites for business, landing, architecture, photography, restaurant and barber shop, and these are the inner pages available with the theme demo. So if you want to use this, we need to import the demo content for this website, and after that, after importing the demo content, the website will be complete, and I will show you the theme options afterwards. So let us begin to import the demo content at this stage, and let us go to the theme options again. I need to find the demo importer, and these are the theme options, and I'm just looking for the demo importer, and I'll of course show you all these options. So I never used to hide anything during my videos. This is why everything is being displayed on the screen itself. So we have a tab in the left navigation. This is for Blade welcome page, and in this we have import demo options. So simply click on import demos, and it has been said that easiest way to import Blade demo content, and we have one button given here. So simply click on activate demo importer, and we have already installed the demo importer. I don't know why this is so, and I believe demo importer is, yes, this is here and it is active. So I've been on the wrong place for importing the demo. In fact, Blade demos are here, and we should click on the Blade demos, and here we have an welcome page for demo import, and this screen also shows the server settings. All the credentials of server should be adequate here. Before importing the demo, you should check all green here, and if it is not, you can handle this through your cPanel PHP INI settings. So now we have next step as choose demo, and here we can choose the demo websites which we need to have on your on our website. So we have all the options of demo websites here, and we can choose according to our need and choice. So it is up to you how you want to make your website and for what purpose you are making this. I am choosing the main demo as explore demo. I am going to check this, and this is in fact an screen to select what pages. This is a very good feature that what we need to have at our website. We can choose the selected pages and post or portfolio or products, and so we have option to select the pages or the items which we actually want to import, or we have another options to import the complete you can say the import full demo Blade main. So this is being the option for us, and however you may choose to import pages, portfolio, post and products on your demo website. So it is up to you, and you can choose one by one just in case if you want, and you will get the same on your website. It will not clutter your installation with the pages or the items which are not required in your website. This is a very good option in fact, and in this case I am choosing to import the complete demo. This is being considering being this is a fresh website, so I am simply clicking on import full demo option, and now it is an alert. Now import is in progress, and the screen is saying no option selected, please select some options and press import button. So I have already selected them. The import process will work on the basis of clean installation. You can I don't know why it is so. This is not working in fact. Clear selection, and if we want to have the complete demo, the import process will work based and import please actual image quick view, and it should work because we have everything is fine in our installation. However, it is not working. What I'll do, I'll select all here and try to import the demo in the selected manner, and import selected. Let us see what happens, and it is working, I assume. So it is also equal workable, and it will bring the same result. I have selected everything, and it is showing the import completed, and now a screen is saying import is completed, and we can visit our website. Let us take a look of it, what we got, and it is showing still default landing page, and I believe we have got everything, let us check the pages what we got in the demo. So pages are here, and we just need to select the home pages, because all the home pages about accordions, anchor menu, card page, and in fact there are 126 pages which we got in this demo import, and just we need to set the home page. So I'm just checking the home. So this is being the home, and all home pages are also here, so we can select any of the available home page according to our choice. So I'm checking the main one, and we can select. Okay, so this is being the main home page, and yes, so images, actual images has not been provided in the demo. This is why the demo got imported in just few seconds. So only placeholder images has been provided in the demo content. However, it is fine, because we are finally not going to use the demo images and we have to put our own images. This is being the main home page, and similarly we got all the home pages like this one. So we are fine to select any of the home page as per our requirement, and we can simply put our own images, and we can make website very fine. And if you really want to use somehow these images, you can get download from here and you can put there, but it is not recommended. Of course you have to use on your own images. Website is fine, and now I'll simply set the home page first to give a better look, and then I'll show you the theme options and desktop options. So and simply we have to go and the customize for this. And there are many options. So home page setting is here, and first of all we need to select a static page and select the home page itself. So home should be here, and this is the home. I'm selecting the main one and publishing it now. And yes, home is decided, and we can go back to find the menu if we got in the demo itself, and I'm going to appearance menu section, and the main menu is here, so we can assign a main menu. So manage location is the option for this, and header menu we can select here, top left, top right, footer menu. So header menu can be main menu here in this case, and top left it is here. So we can select the top bar menu just to review how it works. And let us take a look of our website now. Okay, so this is fine, and somehow menu is still not here, but yes, we can check menu locations updated, main menu items. So we can select the main menu items, what we got in the main menu. Okay, so there is no item in the main menu. This is why it is not showing anything, and we can simply put some pages just to take a look of our website, how it looks. However, pages, all pages are here, so we can choose any. So I just kept 3 pages just to preview the theme, how it looks with the menu, and it should be fine now with the menu. Yes, so menu is coming here, so it is very simple. And similarly you can put all the contents. So let us come back to the dashboard. What we got in this installation, this is being the blade, and this is the first option in this installation. I'll show you all these things. And this is welcome screen and status. Okay, and all the status should be green, as I said before importing the demo. Custom sidebars options are here, so you can add custom sidebars just in case if you want to use your customized sidebar. Import demos options, however it is not very effective. We have to use import demo from Blade demos itself. And theme plugins, so we have already used this. Custom codes, so you can put your custom code here. The rest of settings are same. Portfolio is a new thing, I mean came with this installation, not in default WordPress, so you can manage the portfolios from this screen. There are already portfolios, so you can edit the existing one or you can add your own. I will show you the feeds, what can be put in the portfolio. This is being the feeds. So again it is showing some code like thing, and you might get confused why it is looking like this, as this theme uses WP Bakery page builder, so it is not active for the portfolio. How you can active the WP page builders, I'll show you. So go to the WP Bakery page builder tab and menu and click on the role manager, and in the role manager you have to select post types. This has been selected at pages only, so we can select the custom, and the portfolios and testimonials can be clicked here, and click on save changes. Now it should work with the WP Bakery. Just refresh this page. It is simple trick, but it is not exactly trick, it is a requirement. So now WP Bakery is effective here, and you can enable or disable WP Bakery as you need, as I shown you. So portfolio items can be added like this, and these are the fields. So it is simple and effective, of course, and these are the areas. So you can handle the portfolio items, and you can take a look at this portfolio item, how it looks in the front end. Okay, so this is being the portfolio, and it is important page for business, so this should be taken care if you are using this, so it is fine. And now we can proceed towards next. So testimonials items are similar, but yes, you can add testimonials. However, this demo is not using any testimonials items. You can use at your own if you need this. And rest of things are common, like media, pages, comments, WooCommerce products, analytics, and under appearance we have theme options. So let us check the theme options, and it is very important. This is being the theme panel, you can say. Now I'll show you what options are here in the Blade. This is Blade theme options. In the general setting, we have theme layout, container size, theme background image, and all basic things. Logos can be handled from logos section. and there are many responsive retina and dark header logos are here. Top bar options, header options, so sticky header option and responsive header options. You have choices to handle these things. Footer options, so blog options, single post, page options, portfolio options, e-commerce options, single product and product search setting, typography options, header and body. You can change the complete fonts, so it is very important setting just in case if you want to change the fonts and typography. And CSS JS options, styling options. So again you can select the color of your scale, I mean the theme scale. It is also very good. And social media options are here. Map options 404, miscellaneous options has been given. So page builder add-ons, button settings, back to top settings, coming soon page, media sizes, again this is important. Utilities like theme performance, okay, it is good, and you can use the compression files, so it will definitely increase or enhance your website performance. Theme update has been given here, and import of export option. So I believe I have shown you everything, and you are going to make a very professional business website using the Blade WordPress theme. Of course, you might have certain questions regarding the theme and its settings, installation. So don't hesitate in asking any question in the comment section of this video, and you can even get in touch directly with me by following the link given in the description of this video. I believe you are already a subscriber of this channel. If not, please subscribe. I'm going to bring wonderful plugin, utilities and themes for you. So keep watching, keep building. Thank you.